We will conduct a 460 degrees Celsius baking test on the Sishan purple clay ceramic pot. First, let the equipment heat up naturally to 460 degrees Celsius. Next, put the Sishan purple clay ceramic pot in place. Wait for the equipment to rise back to 460 degrees Celsius once more, then start timing. Keep baking at 460 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Right after the baking process, place the pot into water at 20 degrees Celsius and let it cool naturally for 2 minutes to create an intense hot and cold thermal shock. Wait for 2 minutes, then take out the ceramic pot and dry it thoroughly. Check for cracks or glaze peeling. If the pot shows no damage, it verifies that it is crafted from pure natural mineral materials with no Teflon and no FAS. It is fully capable of withstanding high temperatures of 460 degrees Celsius. We are a ceramic factory. Link in bio to get wholesale quotes.